So today we have Born Pretty Nude Gel Polishes. Let's give it a gander. Hey y'all, how y'all doing? Today we're going to be checking out Born Pretty Jelly Nude Polish Collection. Now I am excited about this collection because they have some really pretty colors to choose from, and I've never used jelly polish. There's a lot of things I've never done, huh? But we're going to make it cute. And I'm also excited to see what I got because they let me order what I wanted to order, but I wrote down the wrong numbers and I didn't go back to see what they were. So let's see what we got. Fresh out of Swatches, so I'm gonna go ahead and use size 4 nails from Nail Couture because I can't fit that size anyway. So we might as well put it to some use. So in no particular order, we have number JN87. Let's see what this is gonna be. Oh, that's dark. Oh, okay. It's blue. That's cool. It's one coat of that jelly blue-ish color. That's pretty. JN88, which is a green. Okay, let's see. Oh, okay. And we have this pretty green color. That's nice. That's nice. Okay. Then we have JN85, which is a deep red, burgundy color. Let's see. Got this pretty red color here. That's nice. JN86. Is that another red? Oh, it's a burnt orange. Oh, that's pretty. Oh, that is pretty. I like that color. That's pretty. Yeah, that jams. Now let's color JN87. Let's take a gander. Okay, it's a brownish color. All right, I got some good colors to work with here. It's kind of similar to the last color, but this one's a little more mustard. The other one had an orange tinge. This is a mustard tinge. Pretty. It's nice. And here are all of the colors together. Oh, these are nice. I'm gonna like playing with these. So let's make a set. So let's start with cutting my nails down and getting them prepped. You don't have to cut them down, but I like to cut mine. But I like to cut mine down. My nails look pretty rough. Last time I did them, I used glue, and glue is not my friend because I like to rip off my nails. And so things happen to them, terrible things. But you know, I let them rest for a long time and they feel good. This one still looks kind of rough, but they feel fine. So it's in a lot better state than what they were. Now I'm gonna take some cuticle remover, throw that on there. And also gently push them cuticles back. I know it looks like I'm being rough, but I'm not being rough. Gentle. subtle. Take the other end and just scrape off the deadness. The most delicate touch. And go ahead and run through all of them. Now I'm going to break out with my nail drill and my favorite little bit here. And go ahead and clean up the cuticle line. And also take the shine off the nail. And I'm on low speed, just going around my nail. I want you to notice the angle of my drill, how I have it flat to my nail and not bent inwards like this. We're not digging into the nail. All right, and these are the tips we're going to use today. I believe this is tapered stiletto from Nail Couture. Now the thing about these tips is for my thumb finger, it doesn't quite fit my nail bed. It's too round for it. So I'm gonna just go ahead and take my file, go across the bottom like so, and square it off a bit. And that'll make it fit my nail a little better. Let's check and see. Oh yeah, that's better. And the rest of my nails fit fine, so I'll just go ahead and size those out real quick. So I got them all sized out. This is when you'll do prep and prime. I'm not doing that so I can get the nails to come off. And then we're using the clear bubblegum gel from Nail Couture. And I'm just going to take my cuticle cutter and cut along the edges to get off that seal. And there we go. I usually use way too much gel, so I am deliberately going to get a small amount. I have to keep in my head, small amount. I don't need that much. A little bit of this goes a long way, so I'll scoop some into my extension. And pat it down, or pat it inwards. Get my flash cure lamp in place. And then take it, place it against my cuticle bed and press down. Make sure I'm straight. That looks pretty good. I think I got it straight this time. Sometimes my nails be all off to the side, zooming left and right, but that looks pretty good. So I'm gonna go ahead and flash cure that for 15 seconds. Just the next one, just a little bit. Okay. Press her down. Place it on my nail bed and press down. I think I'm looking pretty straight there. Move my pot so I don't cure it. Now we got them all on there, but they're just flash cured. We need to put them in the big oven for 60 seconds and get it cured all the way through. So after making sure that they're fully cured, I want to go ahead and file the tips. When I'm wearing stilettos, I like my tips to be extra pointy so I can poke my kids and my husband with them. That really gets on their nerves, so gotta make sure they're good and pointy. I don't have to do much. See, look at that point on there. Yeah. Test them, and yeah, that should do. Then take my drill again, same bit, and go around the cuticles and getting rid of any gel that may have oozed out. Don't have much, so this shouldn't be bad. And we're all prepped. Let's move on to design. I'm gonna take a base coat and put it on 4 of my nails. And give that a cure. Let's start off with this green on the thumb here. It's such a pretty green. I've never been a green person, but I think I'm starting to like greens. Greens and blues. And I think I like them together. Oh, gorgeous green. And move on to the blue color. Two coats of that. Then that orangish red color. Skip the ring finger and do red on the pinky. Now for our accent nail, I want to work all the colors in there. Now just take my palette here and put a dollop of each color on there. Now on that ring finger, I'm just going to go in with some blooming gel. And we don't cure this. You're not going to cure this one. And just take my little liner brush and, I don't know, just start putting some stuff somewhere. Couple of dots there, a dot there, and letting that color just bloom on out. Real random and sporadic. Clean off the same brush and go on with the next color. Same thing, real random. Dot here, dot there, let that shit bloom. Clean it off, next color. That color is too similar. Go on to the next thing. Just filling in empty spaces. Now I'm just taking the brush. It's not blooming how I want it to, so I'm just taking the brush and kind of working the colors into each other. Diffusing any harsh lines that are in there. It's also making sure that any spaces that didn't have paint are taken care of. Let me go ahead and work that closer to my cuticles. And now I'll go ahead and cure that for 60 seconds. And once that's cured, I'm going to take my brush and go in each color and place it in the middle just to intensify each color. And kind of just add extra lines and swirls and just to give it a little depth. And I think that looks kind of cute, so let's go ahead and cure that. So I'm gonna go ahead and place the top coat on now before I get into it with the stones. So yeah, you know we gotta do stones. So we got our McCart rhinestone glue. And I'm just going to line that up right in the middle. And take my little Temu stones here. I think this is like the champagne color ones. Start off with a small one at the bottom. One of these joints over it. Two of these medium joints on the sides. Get that lined up right. And then I'm gonna throw one of these long skinny joints on top. Jesus Christ. I can get all this lined up right. Okay, I think that's straight. And then another tiny one at the top. Let me cure that thing for a move. So I'll go ahead and do that to all of my nails except for the accent nail. And rub in some cuticle oil, and this is what we got. I like how the colors came out. I think the colors are gorgeous and the stonework is pretty as well. Wait a minute, let me just show you how they look outside. Sometimes you can see it a little clear outside. Cute, cute. And I went ahead and did my feet as well with a matte top coat to match. I think that's adorable. I don't like the top coat I use though, but they're still adorable. And if you enjoyed the video today, please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you later. Bye.